Oh, thank God you're here.
What's going on, Janine? Where's Alyssa?
She's gone. They took her. 1 minute everything was fine, the next it was chaos. Ghosts flying everywhere.
Janine, slow down. Start from the beginning.
Okay. Well, I was a little late this morning because one of the heels on my favorite pair of pumps broke, and Lester's was out of my favorite tea. You know how I love my chamomile. Well, and...
Okay. Maybe not the beginning. Start where things went haywire around here.
Okay. Somebody jumped me from behind. And before I passed out, I heard Alyssa struggling and yelling, "No!" And the last thing I remember was the screams of the dead and damned echoing in my brain.
So either there was a mass escape from Rikers,
Or someone shut down our containment grid again.
Again?
Just like Peck threatened to do.
It's funny. I always knew that Peck was a pencil-necked bureaucratic prick, but I never pegged him as an evil occultist.
But where did he take her?
And where are all the ghosts? 'Cause, no offense, but if all the ghosts we've ever caught just escaped, I'm clocking out.
Yeah, they would be awfully mad at us.
Exactly. It's generally a bad idea for the guards to hang out in the cell blocks just after a prison break.
This just in. As authorities continue to supervise the Thanksgiving evacuation of Manhattan, increasingly powerful tremors are rocking Central Park. The question is, where are the Ghostbusters?
Tell you what, kind of a nice day. Why don't we go to Central Park? Could round up some ghosts, save the girl, get back in time for a nap.
Okay, the Ghostbusters ride again.
Oh, hi.
Just once, I wouldn't mind running with these other fools away from the trouble.
Where's the fun in that?
Any guesses on where we'll find Peck and Alyssa?
I suspect that we're going to need the Super Slammer up there. No telling how powerful Peck has grown.
That means we gotta take the Ecto One. I'll drive.
Maybe the trainee should drive. Nah.
Thanks, Winston. Any ideas? Junior's pretty spry, even with that 100 pounds of proton accelerator.
Ow! That was ow there!
Make your way around to the other side and open this gate for us.
Wow, look at the storm system building above that tower.
Remember the last time we saw that kind of atmospheric disturbance?
That's right. At Dana Barrett's building the night she turned into a dog. down the Mandela, how can all this still be happening?
In the Gozerian Codex, it's written that a blood sacrifice and a tremendous amount of spiritual energy are needed to generate the supreme destructor form.
A destructive form again?
Peck probably couldn't draw sufficient energy from the mandala before we shut it down. He found an alternate source in our containment unit.
The energy of the escaped ghosts from our grid might be enough to produce a cross-dimensional event in itself.
Yes, and with Alyssa here, I'm sure her Shandor ancestors aren't far behind.
I'd bet on it. Speed it up there, Tiger.
Yeah, we don't want to stand here all day.
Haas, you all right? How's that gate coming? I'll go with the intern. Nobody should wander around alone in this place. We'll meet you guys a little further on. You saw them too, didn't you? They think they're sneaky. Let's spread out and flank them.
Oh! Hold up! I'm on your team! Ooh, right in the breadbasket! Grabs it! Make a hole!
Flanking means I go this way and you go that way. I know you're new, but that's basic stuff. See what's here.
Uh-oh! Here they come! High five! Solid! Send them back where they came from! Oh! Up high! And stance does it again! That's some serious bad juju, kid. Just missed me. It's on your left. Get out of here. It's not alone!
so we can keep going. Wait a minute. Oh, I get it now. This has been bugging me. When the necromantic shockwave summoned Gozer back to our plane, why didn't he assume a more effective destructor form immediately? I mean, the Marshmallow Man is scary, sure, but there has to be a better way to destroy the world. It's simple. When he enters our plane of existence, he must be locked into that form from our first encounter. One destructor form per god per dimension. I like it. Sounds like the kind of symmetry these things tend to operate on. Hey, so maybe I didn't choose such a bad destructor after all, huh? Look, up there. It's getting worse.
This isn't the Central Park I'm used to. You still have your wallet?
Good initiative, but it's the wrong plan. That means Either we're in trouble or we're dinner.
Is there a difference?
Hey, we ever tested proton packs in the ring?
That's what the recruit is doing right now.
Great! Wait a minute, I'm wearing one too!
That's true, Ray. How's it going so far? Do you smell any burning or experience any painful tingling?
You'll be the first one to know. Or the second.
Airstrike! Take those flyers out!
They're coming out of the ground!
On the right!
I like your style, kid. Check your aim! Solid, vaporize air. We need to get out of here. We're close. Could be trouble. Ow! Run for it! Yow! You've got him on the ropes! Eyes high! Kapow, freak! That hurt! They felt that one in Pittsburgh. Again, kid. Wham! Bravo! You stirred up the hornet's nest, kid. Wham! Above you, all yours! Bravo! Solid, kid. Where do you think you're going? Okay, I've got a beat on him. All yours! Freak! Uh-oh! Here they come! Hey, here! Come on!
Well, hello there.
Ray, you guys all right? Man, there ain't nothing dead in this screen.
Thanks for joining the party.
They're throwing everything they have at us to stop us from getting to that mausoleum.
That's as far as I can go. You guys got a clear path for me.
Ray, readings here are extremely unstable. Energy from the mandala and the escaped ghost is building up to a flashpoint. We don't have much time.
good. Thanks. Rolling on.
Well, I guess we're going in there. We don't have a lot of choice. The graves pushing up through here really did a number on this place. Walter Peck is going to have a lot to answer to from the city parks department. If we can prevent the apocalypse, that is.
Whoa! Look at them all! You've got them on the road! On the right! Snuck one past me! Look behind you.
Get behind something!
Hey! Right in the breadbasket!
Solid! Send them back where they came from!
On the right!
Ruffle boots!
On them, Rook.
Get it good and slime and cheese.
Hey, over here, little help?
We've tried
Yo,
everything.
little help?
This metal is psychonically charged, rendering it effectively indestructible. Well, in such an extreme situation, I suppose it's possible to cause it harm, but I don't think anything we have is going to make a dent in it.
Then what's our plan?
Ray, you two check out that side.
I think I'm picking up something odd here. What's your take on this? An indestructible gate attached to a damaged frame. A few concussive hits and the hinges might just break loose.
12 o'clock high.
They're too well protected. Our energy streams aren't going to hurt them.
Peter, go kick them. The only hope we have is to stay alive and keep them away from the Ecto.
I wholeheartedly agree with Rick.
More precisely, they're little stone angels capable of attaining speeds of 198 meters per second before they hit their targets, which is us.
How about Cossie Angel? Man, I'm going back to Sun.
The particle throwers aren't doing anything to them. Tether them and smash them into something.
Look behind you!
Looks like a good place for slime tethering.
Follow my lead. Hook them together.
To the right.
Blind again! Took my head
How
off!
about some slime tethering?
Up there!
The kid's on to something!
Hook them together.
Look out, on your left!
Thanks for joining the party.
I think we're getting close.
Hey guys, a little help? I bet we could pull these gates down. Hey Rick, we got a chain or a winch for this thing?
I didn't plan for a fun-filled day of off-roading with Ecto 1, so no.
The tether might prove useful here.
Okay, kid. Tether the gate to my bumper and I'll pull it down. Okay, good. Give me a few more, just to be sure. Not bad.
This way, gentlemen.
Thank you.
Nicely done.
I'm not sure going underground now is a good idea.
Come on, Spangs. Getting there is the fun part.
Careful, this matrix is becoming increasingly unstable.
That's our next stop.
Ever feel like you're being watched?
Egon.
What?
Please.
Get ready. Same drill as before.
Hook me up again. I'll take care of it.
Right, the tethers.
At least the tethers held. My fault. Miscalculated.
Winston!
Damn.
It's stuck. For real.
Ecto 1.
She's tough, but she took that pretty hard.
Can you get her rolling again?
Nah. Crickets. She's down for the count, guys.
I hate leaving her here like this.
I know it, Ray. This is definitely turning into a bad neighborhood. But we've got to keep moving. Guess we're walking from here.
Some of us have been walking.
Keep your eyes peeled!
I think we've got guests.
I knew it.
I think we're gonna wish we had that super slider.
Keep it going.
Now! Good. Now just bring him in. Look out! Above you! Rack him up and shoot him again. Almost there. Blammo! Find some cover! Run!
There's a whole squad.
Not so fast. All yours!
Try it again.
Focus on the cultists! This is fantastic! It's like a monster match! What did I expect?
Get out of here.
No! What?
Need some help here.
Above you!
Now where?
Now that hurt. No!
Identify the cultists and focus on them. It's their combined willpower that's protecting the mausoleum. Almost there.
Ow! That was... Ow there! Okay, you've got to get nobody messes with the kid! You play hardball, huh? Wow! Yeah! Oh yeah! Keep it going! Uh-oh! They come!
On your left.
What can unlock the gate?
The glowing indentations are obviously keyholes.
They are? Oh, sure, I see it now. Where are the keys then? Take it apart! Whoa! Look at them all! Damn! Stand clear! Stand clear! Ah! Wow! Find some cover! Try again, kid! Oh! Ow! That's not friendly.
Oh! Spectacular!
The kid's on to something! Way to go!
Great. Those fellas turned out to be pretty helpful.
This team can play, no doubt about it.
Exciting. Somehow risky. Wait, it's Ilsa.
It's Peck.
Can we blast them? Just one's really hard. Nobody's gonna know.
Easy, Venkman. Everything points to Peck being a pawn.
I couldn't have said it better myself.
It's the mayor.
No, Ray, it's not. It's Evo Shandor.
Shandor possessed the mayor, turned Peck on us to slow us down, and when we shut down his Mandela before he could get fully juiced, he hijacked our ghost out of the containment unit as an alternate energy source.
Very good. And they say you're the slow one.
Wait, what? Who says that?
Everybody. What's the girl have to do with it?
Taking her was necessary. To assume my own destructor form, I require blood. My blood.
What about Gozer? I thought you built this all for him.
I did, but he failed me. Twice. How he earned the title The Destroyer is beyond me. Anyway, I thought to myself, why worship a god when you can actually become one?
Slime him.
take all of our streams. It's fading.
Yeah, that's using your head, Junior. Do that again. Beat him down, then get a capture stream on him.
He's through! Now deactivate your pulse, and we'll cross the streams with the blast function!
I can't shut mine down, Ray.
Me too! Me neither, I mean.
Who decided to reinforce these shoulder straps? Yeah!
Hey, Shandor! Where's your destructor form now? Leave it in your other suit.
I have chosen. I am the Destructor. I am the Architect.
Oh, was someone waking out of their nap?
Oh no.
That's very bad.
The architect? That's not so scary. The contractor, that's cool.
Peter, you don't understand. He's the architect, and he controls Ghost World.
And he can come into our world. And what do architects do?
I will pay over your evils to start anew. I will fill your seas with concrete and stone.
Whoa, take a break. Do you ever shut up?
Yeah. No! Listen!
I will pierce your world with girders of steel and panes of glass.
That's just mean supervillain threats, Ray. All those guys talk like that.
I will crush your world under the weight of my cities. I will smother your creation under my own.
Protecting yourself. Don't let it recharge. Keep it coming. On your side. Oh! Oh!
Flying skulls! Flying skulls! Look out!
Don't let it power up.
Don't let it recharge.
Almost there. power up.
Don't let it recharge.
Give it to him! Hey, more trouble!
Don't let it power up.
Don't let it recharge.
Run! Hold on! Behind you! Incoming! Blast! Sorry, behind.
It's time. Cross the streams. We eat gods for breakfast. I'm deactivating the cross-stream governor. I never thought I'd say this again. Cross the streams!
We eat gods for breakfast?
Too much, you think?
No, I liked it.
I've got you.
Get me down from here. Please,
New guy.
I'm begging you, let
Your
me
call.
down. Huh? This is not the last you will see of me.
The Ghostbusters! Hey, fellas! What are you doing here? What am I doing here? Where is here?
You were the victim of a trans-dimensional possession, Your Honor.
What's that mean?
An evil ghost was walking around in your body for a few months.
Whoa! Did anyone notice? Well, how's my approval rating?
Well, you got reelected.
By the way, you're a descendant of Shandor.
Yeah, I kinda got that. What?